Hey pretty queens, beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Designed by Osil. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're highly welcome to my channel. If you are new here, maybe your first time coming across any of my videos, thank you for clicking to watch the video, and please don't make today your last. Okay, do subscribe. Okay, smash subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss our videos immediately we upload them. Okay, so that you get notification as soon as the new video is published here in this channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss our styles, for we bring latest and most stylish nail designs that you definitely fall in love with. Okay, so join us and thank me later. So ladies, as you can see, today we are carefully selected most stylish and trending square nail shapes designs for my ladies. Beautiful nails ideas for you guys. If you're a lover of square nail shapes, you love long nail designs, please do watch the video from beginning to the end, and please make your selections. You're gonna be discovering a lot of beautiful nail art, a lot of beautiful colors, that you definitely fall in love with. You guys, you can rock these nails to different occasions, whether high class occasion, low class occasion, or for casual. Just watch and make your beautiful selections. And please, as you watch our video, kindly do support us by liking the video. Also share to your family and friends. And please, if you have any video idea that I want us to bring to the channel, please do drop it in the comment section. Trust me, we'll be there to attend to you. To my returning viewers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Trust me, I do not take for granted. God bless you guys so much, and see you guys on the next video. Bye. Keep watching.